Good. So the diagram shows a shaded region, a shaded ring formed by cutting a smaller circle and a larger circle. And the radius of the smaller circle is 6 centimeter, and the diameter of the larger circle is 15. So what's going to be the area of the shaded ring? Okay. All right. So the shaded ring is the part labeled all yellow. Okay. All right. So how do we really find the area of the shaded ring? What strategy do we have? But I think we need to work out first the area of the bigger circle, and then the area of the smaller circle, and then I will have to subtract the result that I got, and that will give me the area of the yellow circle, or which of course sometimes you may call the shaded ring. Okay, so I will do this. The area of the shaded ring will be the area of a bigger circle, which will be pi radius squared with the bigger R, and of course you subtract that from the area of the smaller circle, which will be pi radius squared. Now if you have to do this, you know that pi, and of course you know that the radius, the bigger radius, the diameter for the bigger radius is 15, so the radius is going to be 7.5, right? So go 7.5 times 7.5, and the pi and the radius of the smaller circle, which is definitely going to be 6, which is 6 squared. So what we needed to do is work out the whole of this and then subtract it from the whole of this. Okay, so to help me, I'm going to get my calculator. So first I'm going to do the first question here, which states that I got pi times 7.5 squared, and when I do that, I will get 176.71, 176.71, subtract pi times 6 squared, and of course if I try to do that, I will get 113 point 13.10. So now I will need to subtract these two numbers to get my final result. Okay, good. So I have my calculator here. 176.71 subtract 113.10, and when I do that, I will just get this answer 63.61, but I think I'm going to leave my answer just one decimal place. That's going to be 63.6, and of course the unit is centimeter squared, and this kind of simplifies it. This will be the result of the shaded region, which of course I'm going to like to show you here. All the parts here, okay, round about the circle. Okay, again I want to say thank you, and of course I know some of you might have some questions. I'd like you to let them come in the chat box, and I'll look at them and then respond to your questions. Again, thank you, and do have a wonderful time.